Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making Cajun shrimp pasta. You will need 1 pound of shrimp, 1 pound of penne pasta, 1½ cups of heavy cream, 3 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to a pot of water, then bring it to a boil. Add the pasta to the water and allow it to cook for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 10 minutes, remove from the heat, then rinse your pasta with cold water and set it aside until later. Now season your shrimp with your thyme, oregano, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Did you know you can find many of your favorite soul food cooking recipes in one place? Soul Food Cooking the Cookbook is now available on Amazon. For more information, see the comments or description section below. Now mix until your shrimp is evenly coated. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add your olive oil. Now add the shrimp and cook for 3 minutes. Remove the shrimp from the pan and set them aside until later. Now melt your butter. Add the garlic and saute for 2 minutes. Now add the heavy cream and cheese and bring to a light simmer. Add the pasta and coat with your sauce. Now return your shrimp to the pan, then add your parsley flakes and continue to cook for an additional 3 to 4 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made